Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the syllabus for the Genesys Cloud Certified Professional Contact Center Admin exam and show exactly what to study and how much time to allocate. Follow along and use the domain weights to prioritize your practice. Overview of the exam structure and weights. Contact center configuration is 25%. Cloud workforce management is 20%. Reporting and analytics is 15%. Outbound and dialing is 15%. Quality management is 15%. And Genesys Cloud Overview is 10%. Total estimated study time across domains is about 54 hours. And assessments include hands-on labs, scenario-based questions, and conceptual items. Use the weights and assessment types to balance practical exercises with theory. Contact center configuration is 25% of the exam and focuses on core administrative setup and resource management with a medium difficulty level, estimated at 14 hours and assessed by hands-on and conceptual tasks. You will learn user and group management, including creating and managing user profiles and extensions, configuring roles and permissions, and integrating external directories. Routing and queue configuration is a major area where you will define ACD queues, configure queue membership and alerting timeouts, manage wrap-up codes, and implement skills-based and bullseye routing logic. Finally, you will cover locations and site management, including physical and logical location setup, site telephony settings, emergency services and E911 details, network requirements, and number plan assignments. Cloud Workforce Management carries 20% of the exam weight and is the hardest domain with an estimated 12 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. You will configure organizational hierarchy by setting up business units and management units, define service goal templates, and manage planning groups and agent work team assignments. Forecasting and scheduling skills are key. Generate and analyze short-term forecasts, configure forecasting methods, create and publish agent schedules, and handle time-off requests, constraints, shift trades, and bidding. Intraday monitoring teaches real-time adherence tracking and how to analyze forecast versus actual performance to implement schedule adjustments and adherence notifications. Reporting and analytics is 15%, medium difficulty, and requires about 8 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessment items. You will learn to configure real-time performance dashboards and utilize dynamic views for detailed agent and queue monitoring. The domain covers historical reporting, where you generate standard reports, schedule automated deliveries, export data for external analysis, and interpret service level and occupancy metrics. Emphasis is placed on understanding interaction segmentation, flow outcomes, and managing dashboard visibility and report permissions. Outbound and dialing is 15%, a hard domain with an estimated 10 hours and scenario-based assessments focused on outbound strategy and compliance. You will configure dialing modes such as predictive, power, progressive, plus preview and agentless campaigns, and manage campaign scheduling, sequencing, and dialing rules. The list management and compliance portion covers creating and importing contact lists, configuring do not call lists, scrubbing and filtering contacts, mapping wrap-up codes for outbound calls, and implementing caller ID and compliance settings. Practical campaign configuration and understanding legal and quality constraints are essential for success. Quality management is 15%, easier in difficulty, and requires about 6 hours with hands-on and conceptual evaluation tasks. You will master recording policies and governance by configuring recording triggers, retention and archival settings, screen and dual-channel recording, and access controls for interaction recordings. The quality evaluation side teaches designing evaluation forms, conducting interaction evaluations, running calibration sessions, and analyzing evaluator and agent feedback cycles. This domain emphasizes consistent quality workflows and governance to support coaching and compliance. Genesys Cloud Overview makes up 10% of the exam, is easy, and needs about 4 hours of conceptual and scenario-based study to cover platform fundamentals. You will identify core platform components and navigate the administrative interface, understand the App Foundry ecosystem, and manage organization settings including billing and subscription types. Topics also include password and security requirements, monitoring platform health and service status, supported browsers and client requirements, and global settings for document storage. This foundational knowledge ties together the configuration and operational domains. To conclude, use the domain weights and estimated hours to build a focused study plan that balances hands-on practice with conceptual review. Prioritize contact center configuration and workforce management. Practice campaigns and reporting scenarios, and reinforce quality and platform fundamentals. Good luck on your preparation and exam, and remember that steady practice and real configuration experience are the best paths to passing.